Welcome. Today, we are going to learn about how to do billing for a new banquet. So let's go by creating a scenario. First, do event booking. Open PMS menu. Choose Banquets module. We are going to do an event booking now. Open Scan and Search Engine menu feature. Under Bookings sub-module. Specify appropriate details in relevant fields. Name of the person initiating this booking. Contact details are mandatory for confirmation. Then, choose appropriate event type. Date and time of the function. Expected number of invites. Guaranteed attendance. Assign the banquet hall for this function. Specify the amount for hall charges. Rate chargeable per person. Save details to generate booking. Exit from this window. Now, we have to specify requirement for our banquet booking, like food items, or electric gadgets, etc. Specify the reservation number. Booking record is displayed. Choose food items under F&B. Any non-food items. Requirements are listed with quantity and price details. Now, save. Confirm. Exit. So until now we have generated a booking and specified requirements for the event. Now, we will generate functional prospectus. It is compulsory as it will allow the user to employ advanced options for this booking. Without generating a FP, bill cannot be processed. Specify the booking number. Record is displayed. Print the brochure. Now, we will raise the bill for our event. Bill must be raised on the current date. That is, event must be active on the very day. Specify booking number and search for record. Record displayed. Select. Proceed. Customized bill details are displayed. Verify and then save. Print if necessary. Thus, we have raised a bill for a new banquet. Thank you.